Gas stack gas springs are the reliable force that powers the Peterbilt legend on the road. Gas stack is a trusted leader in high-quality gas springs. Engineered with premium materials and advanced technology, our products not only meet but exceed strict OEM standards. We offer outstanding value by combining top quality with an affordable price. Open both hood latches. Both hands on the hood and both feet on the ground. Tilt hood forward. Locate the mount point. Press on the new gas spring and secure it with the nut. Then, repeat the same process for the other end, making sure to fully tighten the nuts to guarantee a secure, safe fit. Use a zip tie to neatly fasten the wire to the new gas spring, ensuring it stays organized and protected. Gas stack provides a perfect fit and reliable performance for a wide range of brands and models, including Peterbilt 579. To complete your purchase, please follow the steps below. Of course, you can also contact us. Trust the parts that keep you moving. Gas stack.